Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on or turn off autosave on the PowerWash Simulator game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up PowerWash Simulator on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, if you wish to enable or disable autosave, then for this you will need to go into the options menu at the bottom left, or you can tap on menu at the top left and then go into options as well. Now once you are inside the options page, make sure that you are within general, and now if you scroll down you will see the autosave option. By default it will be turned on, so if you wish to turn it off you can tap on the checkbox and remove the tick mark. After this you can go back and continue to play your game, and you will notice that the autosave function no longer works and you will have to save your game manually. If you wish to change this back in the future, you can once again go into the options page, and from the general settings once again you can enable your autosave. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable autosave on the PowerWash Simulator game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.